So hello everyone, so welcome back to a new vlog. So today we are going to do our fifth service of our Bajaj Dominar 400. So let's go, let's see how it goes, and I will tell you guys all the details after the service is done. So today we are doing a service vlog, so no raw sound, okay? And how are you doing? You're doing great. How is it there? Comment. And let's see. Okay. As I said, guys, as I said, don't overspeed your bike, especially your Dominar. I got the high risk of damage on your forks wheel. These guys won't put indicator or something, right? They don't put anything. You don't know when they are going to turn. It'll be like sudden. What the hell are you doing? Can you see auto in the front? No, you have to be triple more cautious when there is an auto in front of you trying to take off. Oh shit. You know, in Kerala, our government dedicates off-roading. So that's the reason why the roads are all like this for off-roading. You know, express users are all happy. They don't really need to go off-roading. They can go just like all these roads. Okay. I don't know how much time it's going to take to do the service.
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. He do the wee woo because he have to go in front of the traffic. Look what I do. 22 and he do wee woo.
We have to turn here. ആളുണ്ടോ ബ്രോ? ആളുണ്ടോ? ചേച്ചി 5th സർവീസ് ചെയ്യാനായിരുന്നു. ഓ ആയി, ഞാൻ വിളിച്ച 5th സർവീസ് ചെയ്യാനായിരുന്നു ബ്രോ. എനിക്ക് ആകെ കൂടിയുള്ളൊരു ഇഷ്യൂ ന്യൂട്രൽ വീഴുന്നില്ല, അത് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. വേറെ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഇഷ്യൂ ഒന്നുമില്ല.
So hello everyone. So we have done the service and it's now 3:30 p.m. and I came at 11:35 or 45. So it took a bit and our service is fully done. So I will share with you guys. Let's go and I will share with you all the details while riding. And so the service is done and the price is around 3,500 rupees. So the total price I have a discounted price because there is a card which gives you 10% discount in spare parts and labor charges. So I got it discounted to 2,295 rupees only. So it's a big deal. And the things I have replaced is engine oil. I don't top up, I don't do top up at all. I replace the engine oil at all the service. I never do top up, and which is better to do if you are low in budget, then yes, do a top up, but it is always good to totally replace the engine oil, as the Bajaj engine oil is not that good. I wouldn't really prefer that much, but we have to keep the warranty and everything, so we have to use the Bajaj engine oil which is prescribed for Dominar 400. So I would say just replace it at every top up. So let's go with the price details. And I have changed the engine oil, the oil filter, O-ring, like that. And the only thing additionally changed was the clutch cable. The clutch cable was damaged slightly. I didn't notice that. They checked it and diagnosed it, so that's I came to know. So I don't want to keep it damaged thing, so I replaced it. For clutch cable it cost me like 240 something like that, close to that. Other than that, engine oil, O-ring and oil filter, that's all I have replaced. And other than that, everything is great. There is no major other problems. The ECU update is also done, so 5th service is done. So that's all in this video. So now I am really hungry. Let me eat some food. So that's all. See you guys in the next video. Until then, subscribe, like, and ride safe. Okay, thank you.